This platform has three user types. First one is fuel delivery provider, second one is customer, and third one is admin. Here fuel service provider can able to review and take action on customer's fuel request, can manage his or her profile, can able to review the order history, can able to manage the notifications, and can able to chat with the customers. Here customers will be able to request for a fuel service, can able to manage his or her profile, can review their orders, can manage their memberships, can manage the payment methods, can manage the notifications, and can also able to chat with the fuel service provider. And admin will be able to manage the entire platform from the admin panel. Now let's talk about the environments. For fuel service provider, this platform is having app environment to perform fuel delivery specific operations. For customers, this platform is also having app environment to perform fuel booking service operations. And for admin, this platform is having web environment to perform management specific operations. Now I hope that you guys have a basic idea about this platform and are also interested in all over the concept. So now let's take a quick drive of this platform.
Hi, welcome to this video where we will be viewing an admin panel of a fuel delivery application. So, in front of you, as you can see, is the login page for the admin. On entering the basic email and password, the admin can go and log into the fuel delivery application's admin panel. And the first screen, which is the dashboard, basically helps the admin to view how many users are registered on his or her fuel delivery platform, which includes customers and drivers. There are also some statistical details that an admin should know regarding the orders, completed orders, upcoming orders. Under the order management menu, the admin can individually view the in-depth details of the upcoming order, which include what is the service name, what is the date and type, if that order is basically cancelled or approved, accepted, in progress, the in-progress orders, completed orders, cancelled orders. So accordingly, the admin can view the details of every customer who has placed such an order and what is the customer information, driver information, and fare information for that particular order. Alright, in this video we will be viewing how a customer application works on a fuel app. So, the customer can basically sign up, use basic profile details, and can create the profile. Once he or she is done with that, using the same credentials, he or she can sign in or log into the application. After logging in, the first screen that the customer can see is a schedule service. So over here, he or she can basically add all the details for the gas and for what type of the grade or the subtype of gas or petrol he needs, the location basically, and select the date and the time slot between which he or she wants to receive the delivery of the fuel, and can also select the vehicle for which that fuel is meant. If he's not subscribed to a subscription model, then he'll have to pay, otherwise these services are free for him. If he wants, he can also add a note over there and then basically just place order. So this is an upcoming order which is yet to be delivered to him. Under my orders, you can also see the in progress orders once it is basically accepted by the driver, and completed orders are the ones that are already been delivered to him or basically were cancelled by his or by the driver or by the admin's end. Completed orders, other details, in-depth information can also be viewed by the customer from this panel, and he or she can also view the invoice, can also give ratings to the driver for the service. Then next is basically my profile. This is a very basic option in this on-demand fuel delivery application, and he or she can also basically edit the details, can check out the membership plans, can change the password from the same menu. And next one is basically the membership plan. He or she can subscribe for a monthly or a yearly plan that the application offers and can view the benefits. He or she can compare accordingly. Then choose the payment method which is convenient, or can probably even add a new card or use the same that has been saved. Next, we're going to view how a driver can register on this fuel delivery application and can also then access the app. It's a very basic process to basically register on the app, entering the basic profile details and hitting the sign up button. Once the driver has registered, the notification, the profile details reach the admin, and then only after the admin's approval, the driver can basically start using the application. So once the admin has approved, the driver receives the notification, and then he or she can basically start using the app. In case the driver has forgotten the password, he or she can set it from the same place. After logging in, the driver can basically see the home screen. The home screen has two sides. The first is requests on the left. Now, as soon as the driver basically starts working, or he or she starts moving towards the location of this customer, from request section, this order details will basically transfer to the in progress section. Now next, on the left there is a menu. So of course this application can allow the driver to check out his or her completed jobs, and also from the same place the driver can view or download the invoice, and that invoice has in-depth more details about the entire delivery that was made. And see, there's a pop-up for success that the invoice was downloaded. Once the driver hits the start job button, he and the customer both can chat with each other. Yes, that is it. That's how the driver's application works in a fuel delivery app. Now that we have seen how the driver can register on the application and what are different menus that he or she can see on his app, we'll view how a driver receives a request and then completes that fuel delivery order. So right in front of you, you can view a home screen that the driver can see on a fuel delivery application on logging in. Now there are basically requests, and there's an in progress request wherein when the driver hits start job, he or she gets a pop-up notification of confirmation. On hitting OK, he or she can view the in-depth job details, which includes the navigational map, what is to be delivered, the model of the car and the year of the car that was manufactured, the color of the car, also the plate number, so that the driver can basically identify the customer's car when he or she reaches the location. Then the driver has basically updated the status that the job has been started, which shows the customer the notification that driver is on the way. And on reaching the customer's location, the driver can basically enter the quantity of the fuel that he or she has delivered. So this can be the gallons or the liters of gas or petrol, whatever he's delivering. And then he can hit submit, and then he can basically tick mark the box of job done. So this is how he fuel, and also can chat with the customer, can also give a phone call to the customer from the same place. So this makes it easy for both the driver and the customer to identify the exact location also. And on hitting complete job, the driver basically gets a pop-up of success. The same notification also is received by the customer that the job has been completed. And basically an invoice pop-up can be seen on the screen of the driver. The driver has the option to also send this invoice to the customer, and then this job basically gets transferred to the completed jobs section in the driver's application. Over here, he or she can also view the total amount that he or she had earned from the same. The driver has the liberty to basically download the invoice on his or her own device.
So guys, this is all about the core features of our platform fuel delivery. Other than that, there are many advanced features like chat, membership plan, add-on services like tires, air pressure checking, etc. Thank you so much guys